Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your photos the same duration. So you do have to do this before you add your photos to the timeline. So go to the menu section and go to the settings section. Then go to edit, and here in image duration, you're just going to type in how many seconds you want your image duration to be. For instance, 3 seconds. You can also do it per frames like this, like maybe 60 frames. Then once you're done, you're just going to press the save button. And you're going to go to your photos and stuff like that, and you're going to add in your photos and see that they're all the same duration. Here, as you can see, these are all 60 frames, which is like, I guess, 1 second. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.